Picture number 1. The Crab Cloud. Inside the star grouping of Taurus lies the Crab Cloud, a material of infinite action caught here through networks NCAM and MIRI. The compass on the picture might appear to be modified in light of the fact that we're used to guides of the Earth, but this is the sky guide, and we're looking upward into it. The scale here is gigantic, defined by light years, the distance light goes in a year, around 5.88 trillion miles. The light we find in this picture started its journey quite a while back, navigating time and space to contact us across this stretch. The picture covers 10 light years. At the center of the cloud is a pulsar, the remnants of a cosmic explosion, turning quickly and blazing like a beacon. The Crab Cloud, or M1, isn't simply a remainder, it's an origin for new components that make up planets and life. In this 5.5 arcminute wide depiction, we're seeing a piece of the universe's ceaseless pattern of death and resurrection. Isn't it a wonder how obliteration and creation are entwined in the universe? Picture number 2, the greatness of Max 0416. Look at the picture of Max 0416, a galaxy group so large that it bends light around it. This group has been captured by Hubble, undetectable light, and by networks NIRAM and infrared contribution, a double perspective on the same divine wonder. The compass bolts here may appear to be in reverse, but they're not. They simply mirror the sky's direction from our ground-based perspective. The scale is measured in arc-minutes, a fragment of the sky's immense material, with the whole picture extending a little more than 2 arc-minutes wide. That's a small point, but it represents an enormous piece of the universe, referred to officially as Max J0416124003. This group lies in the constellation of Adonis. It's a gravitational lens, distorting space to amplify and mutilate the illumination of galaxies behind it. It's like looking through an infinite magnifying glass, revealing worlds that would otherwise stay hidden. Such groups are not only interesting subjects for pictures, they're also critical to how we might understand how mass is distributed across the universe. Through Max 0416, we peer further into the universe's secrets. Picture number 3, Max 0416 and the Great Mothra Adventure. Into the vast depths, and gaze your eyes on Max 0416, a galaxy group with an extraordinary wind. This isn't just any group, it's a huge cosmic magnifying glass, bending light across the ages to uncover a breathtaking mystery, a far-off galaxy that emerged 3 billion years after the Big Bang. Furthermore, there's a champion star in this cosmic troupe, affectionately named Mothra by the researchers enchanted by its splendor. This isn't your conventional star. Mothra shines with light amplified more than 4,000 times, a brilliant signal that has crossed reality to greet us. But what's the power behind Mothra's remarkable glow? It's the combined strength of Max 0416 and a mysterious mass known as a globular cluster, a dense cosmic body with the mass of a multitude of stars. This discovery, set in the constellation of Adonis, isn't just a demonstration of the universe's miracles. It's also an exhilarating clue in our cosmic detective story as we unravel the nature of the universe's secret mass. Each glint in the vast dark is a story, and Mothra's is one of ancient light, amplified across the ages to contact us. What else could lie out there, ready to be magnified into view? The universe is full of such dramatic stories, and Max 0416 is just one part. Picture number 4, Webb's groundbreaking discovery of thorium. Webb has struck scientific gold, or rather, thorium, identifying this rare element in the universe. In the grand tapestry of the universe, 2 neutron stars, remnants of cosmic explosions, moved in their gravitational tango in a distant galaxy before finally merging in a catastrophic event. The preface to this discovery began with 2 stars, limited by gravity's inflexible pull. Inside a twisting galaxy far beyond our own, each star met its end in a cosmic explosion, leaving behind neutron stars, extremely dense celestial objects, propelled by their explosive births. These stars set out on an intergalactic journey, eventually colliding after several 100 million years. This violent merger set the stage for a breathtaking cosmic light show, a gamma burst GRB 23307, the second most radiant gamma ray burst we've ever seen. Webb's infrared capabilities allowed scientists to pinpoint the origin of these neutron stars and witness the aftermath of their merger. Here, Webb spotted signs of thorium, a component more difficult to find than platinum on Earth, within the kilonova glow. This marks the first time such a heavy element has been directly observed in the aftermath of a neutron star collision. The importance of kilonovae is now confirmed as cosmic factories where the universe's heavier elements are created. Webb's identification of thorium is just the beginning. Astronomers are on the verge of uncovering more secrets of the universe, revealing the origins of the components that build our surroundings. This discovery not only advances our understanding of the astronomical life cycle but also opens the door to untold treasures still hidden in the vast darkness, waiting for Webb to reveal them. Picture number 5. The distant signal revealing an early-stage black hole. Astronomers have looked across the infinite field to observe a black hole from the universe's dawn, using the sharp eyes of the Chandra and Webb Space Telescopes. This black hole, detected through its X-ray missions, holds the record as the most distant one we've ever seen, shining from a galaxy known as AS1. Such X-ray bursts are the signs of an enormous black hole devouring surrounding material, growing larger with each bite. The black hole story unfolds against the backdrop of the galaxy group IL 2744, imaged here in infrared by the James Webb Space Telescope. This group, nicknamed the Pandora Group, is a cosmic junction, a gathering of galaxies whose light has traveled billions of years to reach us. As we dive into Webb's infrared representation, we discover an expanse of darkness, sprinkled with cosmic light. Far-off suns and worlds, these specks of white, orange, and purple light are not simply focuses, however, whole cosmic systems, each with their own accounts, spiraling and extending across the void. Among this bunch of cosmic systems lies a subtle orange dab, apparently unobtrusive, yet it's a signal from an earlier time, motioning from 13.2 billion light-years away. That speck houses a blossoming supermassive black hole in the system, Z1, a rare look into the early existence of such inestimable monsters. This picture isn't simply a photograph, it's a window into the early universe, offering pieces of information on how the first very gigantic black holes arose. It's a depiction of a young universe, and inside it, a black hole that has grown for billions of years since. It's a significant indication of the endlessness of the universe, furthermore, the enduring mystery of its origins. Picture number 6. A vast, sugary treat, universe M83 through Webb's eyes. Gaze upon the quality of M83, a barred spiral galaxy as revealed by Webb Telescope's powerful instrument. This isn't simply any heavenly preview, it's a galaxy in full sprout, showing its whirling arms in a display of vast creation. The galaxy's center gleams with a gathering of stars, shining as dazzling blue bits against the backdrop of space. These stars are thickly packed at the center, enlightening the galaxy's heart with intense light. Surrounding this glowing center, the galaxy's twisting arms spread out like enormous strips. They are huge paths of gas, dust, and stars that stretch outwards, illustrating dynamic movement. The arms sparkle a searing orange, following the ways where the galaxy's raw materials combine to give birth to new stars. The remainder of M83 is a material of darker reds, with pockets of interstellar material giving the elements for heavenly creation. Looking through the holes in the dust, we impression the countless stars dotting the breadth, a demonstration of the galaxy's lively history and ongoing development. This picture is more than a treat for the eyes. It's a window into the life cycle of galaxies, exhibiting the continuous course of star development and the complex designs that make up the universe's grand configuration. Picture 7. Jupiter in bright. This picture from NASA's ESA Webb Space Telescope shows the planet Jupiter in a variety composite of bright frequencies. The great red spot appears red to the natural eye, yet in this bright picture, it looks hazier since high-elevation murkiness particles are absorbing light at these frequencies. The rosy, wavy polar clouds are absorbing somewhat less of this light, perhaps because of contrasts in molecule size, structure, or height. The data used to create this bright picture is part of a Webb suggestion that analyzed Jupiter's slippery superstorm system. Webb continues the tradition of observing the outer planets, expanding on the historical groundwork laid by telescopes like Hubble, from following the outcome of the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 effects to concentrating on Jupiter's furious weather systems. Webb's state-of-the-art capabilities and its unique position in space provide astronomers with critical information to track the development of this unique planet. Webb's ability to observe in bright frequencies allows space experts to study the short, high-energy frequencies of light that are invisible to the naked eye. Bright light reveals intriguing cosmic phenomena, such as the shine from the hottest and most youthful stars settled in neighboring systems, the organization densities and temperatures of the interstellar medium, and the development of worlds across the universe. Picture number 8, TBU Hydrate Circle Shadows. Analysis of pictures from the Webb Space Telescope, captured at various times, has uncovered two puzzling shadows moving in a counterclockwise direction across the gas and dust plate surrounding the young star TWW Hydra. The plate's direction is face-on from Earth's viewpoint, offering space experts an unmatched overhead view of the surrounding star system. The first picture from 2016 shows a single shadow at the 11 o'clock position, cast by an inner plate slightly shifted relative to the outer circle, which blocks a portion of the starlight. The second picture from 2021 highlights an additional shadow at the 7 o'clock position, indicating the presence of another settled plate. These shadows shift around the star at different velocities, suggestive of clock hands moving, providing indirect proof of hidden planets whose gravitational forces have etched the dust into their own slanted orbits. These observations, made with the Space Telescope imaging spectrograph, have been artificially colored to emphasize the intricate details of this grand phenomenon. Picture number 9. Winds in Jupiter's Great Red Spot. In an interesting investigation of Jupiter's most famous feature, the Great Red Spot, analysis of images taken over an extended period has revealed intriguing changes in its winds across the immense expanse of Jupiter's atmosphere. This storm is a titan, and the winds that rage along its outer edge have been found to accelerate, with speeds now surpassing an astounding 640 kilometers per hour. Enclosed by an outer green limit, these winds have strengthened, showing an increase in their intensity. Interestingly, this acceleration in speed isn't uniform across the storm. Moving inward, where another green circle marks a boundary closer to the center, the winds adopt a more relaxed speed, wandering more slowly, providing a clear contrast to the outer edge's rave. Despite their disparities in speed, both the inner and outer winds share a counterclockwise dance, spinning in unison around the Great Red Spot center. This storm, an entity so immense it could swallow Earth, continues to enthrall and perplex space experts. The speeding up at its outer edge could hold clues to understanding the dynamics of Jupiter's atmosphere and the longevity of this ancient storm. Picture number 10. In the Heart of the Furnace. Cast your look into the depths of space, and you'll find NGC 1385, a twisting world on fire with starlight, settled in the constellation Fornax. The name Fornax, which translates to furnace in Latin, aptly captures the essence of this heavenly produce, 30 million light-years from Earth. Unlike other constellations named after mythical figures or creatures, Fornax and its divine neighbors bear names honoring the tools of enlightenment and discovery. This galaxy, a gem in the furnace's heart, is a stupendous scene. Its swirling arms, rich with the shine of countless stars, wind around a brilliant center, each star a flash from the heavenly iron block. The galaxy's formation, a tribute to a French astronomer with a passion for the instruments of science, stands as a recognition of the everlasting fire of human interest and our quest to map the universe. Picture number 11. Huge waves in the tan skies. Observe the crab cloud. The leftover of a star's dramatic finale, presented in a picture freed from its original Fitz record by the Fitz Deliver device. This divine body dwells in the text seems cut off here, so the rest could continue further. Star grouping of Taurus is an inestimable demonstration of the force of heavenly passing. The cloud, brought into the world from a cosmic explosion blast, was seen on Earth over 1,000 years prior. It is a material rambling 10 light-years wide, painted with the dissipated layers of a once powerful star that has since given up to its destiny. At the core of a more chaotic one, heartbeats a pulsar, the thick center of the detonated star turning hotly and heaving a deluge of charged particles. As these particles hurry into the cloud's vaporous field, they create a stunning showcase of brilliant, wave-like structures. These vast waves, similar to those made by a rock tossed into a lake, spread through the cloud, evolving and developing over time. The site is associated with a cosmic-scale pool of water undulated by the energies of a distant memory star, permitting us a brief look into the dynamic forces chiseling the universe. Picture number 11. Cosmic Giant. The vista of UGC 2885 in the embroidered artwork of the night sky, settled inside the heavenly body of Perseus, lies a heavenly titan known as UGC 2885 or the Godzilla universe. This extensive perspective on the universe gives a window into the space of one of the biggest known winding worlds. UGC 2885 is a wonderful twisting world that lives a stunning 230 million light-years from our vantage point on Earth. Its fantastic plan and scale acquire it the moniker of the Godzilla system, a name that brings out its enormous nature. The system represents a huge island of stars and vast matter, twirling in the dance of the universe since the early sagas of time. Picture number 12. Brilliant center of NGC 533. In the divine hunting grounds of Caes Ventii, there lies a world on fire with heavenly life, NGC 533. This unbarred twisting universe, a grandiose twin in size to our own Milky Way, extends more than 100,000 light-years across. It is a great construction in the endlessness of space, living around 40 million light-years from Earth. Enhancing the twisting arms of NGC 533 are bunches of blue, a chromatic mark of new stars being conceived. These energetic blue districts are nurseries where hot, youthful stars are coming to fruition, diverging from the universe's center, which sparkles with the redder tones of more established, cooler stars. Unlike the Milky Way, NGC 533 flaunts no central bar. Rather, it is empowered by a splendid and vivacious heart, a functioning cosmic core controlled by an unquenchable, very monstrous black hole. This core sorts NGC 533 as an encoded world, a sort known for its with great intensity brilliant center across the electromagnetic range. The iridescence is a signal, flagging the black hole's devouring of nearby stars, dust, and gas. A grandiose exhibition of matter spiraling into its gravitational grips, radiating light across a scope of frequencies. The system's relative closeness to our planet, alongside its significant size and radiance, not only delivers it an excellent subject for professional adaptive investigation, but also a stunning gem for novice stargazers to appreciate in the evening sky. Picture number 13. Cosmic Family, NGC 7331. In the divine domain of Pegasus, the winged pony twists the system NGC 7331, first spied by the telescope of William Herschel in the 18th century. This stupendous twisting, lying 45 million light-years from Earth, presents itself somewhat edge-on, parading its radiant arms that enclose a gleaming central region. At the core of NGC 7331, an inquisitive peculiarity takes center stage, an unprecedented cosmic explosion, SN 2014C. This heavenly blast went through a dramatic change, transforming from a hydrogen-deficient state to a hydrogen-rich one, all in something like a year. This rare event shed light on the cryptic twilight of monstrous stars, enlightening the universe with high-energy brightness. Reflecting our own Milky Way in size, structure, and heavenly population, NGC 7331 is an infinite twin with notable contrasts. It lacks the Milky Way's particular bar and shows a curious bend with its central lump turning counter to the cosmic circle. These idiosyncrasies make NGC 7331 not just an exhibition for skywatchers, but a scientific motherlode, offering insights into the elements and evolution of winding galaxies. By observing NGC 7331, space experts hold up a mirror to our own world, gaining perspective on the cosmic qualities that define our astronomical area and advancing our knowledge of the universe's immense menagerie of twisting systems. Picture number 14. Heavenly Movement, HEN 2427 and M1167. In the bolt-shaped star grouping of Siga, a heavenly show unfurls with the astronomical couple of Hen 2427, otherwise known as WR1124, and the surrounding cloud M1167. This stunning couple is arranged 15,000 light-years away and has been caught in a dazzling representation. At the heart of the picture, Hen 2427, a Wolf-Rayet star, transmits strongly. This type of star, named for space experts Charles Wolfe and George Ryer, is unimaginably hot and known for the wild winds that cast off material at a stunning rate of 150,000 kilometers per hour. Revolving around Hen 2427 is the cloud M1167, a young 10,000-year-old grandiose cloud, which, despite its overall early stages, has bloomed into a dazzling sight. The cloud's birth was a dynamic event, painting the material of space with the removed material from the central star. This cosmic organization is more than a visual wonder, it's a dance of infinite powers. The star, a maelstrom of movement, continues to shape its environment, showing the dynamic life patterns of stars and the clouds they impact. Picture number 15. Shadowy Phantoms in Space. The picture uncovers a divine exhibition where foreboding shadows, known as Barnard 92 and Barnard 93, streak across the sky. These dim clouds, looking like spooky paths, are thick to such an extent that they shroud the stars behind them, making the appearance of ethereal shadows against the inestimable material. These dinky clouds are more than simple inestimable specters, they are the origin of stars. Inside these covers of murkiness, new stars are taking shape from the falling billows of gas and dust. The setting to these nursery mists is part of a larger, brilliant space, the small Sagittarius star cloud, visible to the unaided eye in the constellation of Sagittarius on dull evenings. This region is a thick patch in the embroidery of our universe, its brilliance coming from the large number of stars it contains. This piece of the sky is a small part of a larger overview that maps the multifaceted designs of our world, capturing the dance of diffuse clouds and the life cycle of stars from their fiery births to their evolution into adulthood. And with that, we coast back from the vast ocean to the shores of our blue planet. If you've partaken in this heavenly venture through the eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, leave us a like to explore the stars again. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join our next journey across the universe. Up to that point, keep your gaze heavenward and continue to ponder. Ready for more infinite miracles? Click on the following video and explore.